You will be amazed by this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, the heavy-duty full-size pickup truck that has the power and technology you need to get the big jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, keyless start, 4-wheel drive. Relax and enjoy the confidence of knowing you have the power you need to get the job done. Get into the Silverado 2500 HD.